Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to export conversations from Claude AI. It's a simple way to save your chats for future reference, sharing, or documentation. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Claude AI. Open the official Claude AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Claude dashboard, open the conversation that you want to export. Next, click the Share button at the top of the chat. From the sharing options, choose Export or Download if it's available for your account. Claude will prepare a copy of the conversation that you can save to your computer. If you don't see an export option, you can still copy the conversation manually and paste it into Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or save it as a PDF for future use. Exporting conversations is useful for keeping records, sharing important information, creating reports, or saving research and project discussions for later. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export conversations from Claude AI. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.